Hello, what's going on guys? It's me again, and this is my tutorial number 5. And in this tutorial we will be basically going over, I just wanted to quickly show you some other resources you can find on Spark AR, about Spark AR, or where to get. So basically you will be able to see the community of Spark AR. Then we will go over official documentation and other resources, the inspiration, and also kind of quick overview of the interface tutorial. We will also go over that. I know in the first video I showed you kind of quickly, and maybe my explanation were not that clear, and I with my thick accent especially, but also we will show you the frequently asked question and answers, and you might find something helpful there too, I'm sure. Okay, so on the official platform of Spark AR, you can go and see the help, and this is all things that we will be going over. The first thing, I just want to go and see about the Ask community. This is basically a link that will direct you to Facebook group. Let's go and see. It will direct you to the Facebook group and let you or ask you to let you join their group of big community of Spark AR people. They're so helpful and very nice. You can find a lot of inspirational uh, tutorials or like a project. You can connect with other people and then developers. You learn about them, their stuff. You can even like find some cool people and new stuff and get inspired from here too. Yeah, make sure to join them, get help, and publish your stuff, advertise your stuff, and you're gonna love it, I think. So that's one of the things I just wanted to show you. But let's go back to our interface. And the second thing I just wanted to show you, when you go to the help, click on help. Let's click start interface tour. That basically will ask you to go over the tour of the interface. So it kind of quickly will guide you and explain each what each part of the platform is. So you will quickly continue, see this section, that section, and you quickly go over and learn what's the proper name for each part. And yeah, so finish the tour, and it will it will ask you to show you other tutorials, but we will go ourselves there in a second. So in order to access other things, I just wanted to show you, it's tutorials, or let's go to documentation actually. So this is the official documentation of Spark AR, and this is the best and the main resource I think you guys should go and once you start creating and get advanced, and future whoever is going to be learning it, they should just go there and then learn about stuff. So as you met, here's the getting started, and then like you also can see a bunch of tutorials. I know how I was showing you some of them, but in the future we'll be also going over them. But they also have each tutorial with proper documentation and specific documents and lighting and a lot of cool stuff. Another thing I just want to show you quickly, their inspiration, and then what other people and other companies that using Spark AR do. Like let's go for example this guys. So it's all over the world.
Does. My name is Snehal Dhruv. I run a company called Superfan.ai, and we are pioneer in AR filters for people to be part of the content.
So it's cool. Like all over the world, people are using Spark AR and actually creating and making good money and being creative and stuff. It's very helpful and it's very cool tool to use. You don't have to be very technical to learn and go. Here you can see the community that like you can try the filters that are already existing, and you guys try on Instagram, you go and check those too. and then there's a bunch of inspirational Instagram filters. You can get inspired not only in the Spark community on Facebook group, but also on the official documentation here. Yeah, so you can also access the blog. There's like some cool stuff, and we'll just, if you're more a person who likes to read and learn more by reading, I'm definitely the more visual. I have to see, I have to watch the videos to learn. So, but if you guys are more, if you have a different approach of learning, this is the way to go. So, yeah, and I just also want to quickly show you. Let's go back to the official page, and I just want to find it. I want to show you. Oops. So back to this part, and if you go to this URL, that's most of the menus are, but also you can go to downloads, right? So every time there will be like some features and updates that Facebook team or Spark AR team will just create, and the software will kind of forcefully make you to download new updates. Maybe you will do it, and sometimes there will be some features that are not available in those revision. So if you want to go to the older version, you can go it from here and download your own things. So you can see also what there's a description for exporting, publishing, basically everything what you will need to know about Spark AR. But another thing what I really liked about this website is about like frequently asked questions. Oh. Like let's go. Oh yeah, so basically it's like for there's a lot of questions that we might be able to ask on Google, or even come here and then find the answers, or troubleshooting, or doing other things. So you can go and click and see and find the answer. So yeah, basically that's what I want to show you guys today and in this tutorial. Hope you might find it very helpful, and you know where to reference about the future project or any problems you might have in the future. But that's basically it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next tutorial.